Pinterest affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. In this video guys, I will show you step by step how you can make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing as a beginner without investing any money in paid ads and without any website. Okay, I made $12,105 in 22 days. Okay, I made this commission from the first day of April until the day 22 of April. I made $12,105 using free traffic promoting affiliate links, and this is my affiliate account dashboard. Okay, so anyway, for people who are interested to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, just follow those new methods that I will share with you for free in this video, and you can start making money with affiliate marketing using Pinterest. Okay, so let's get started. So first, here is what you need to do. You need to go to Google and you need to search for Fiverr. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. It's super easy. You just need to come to this page and scroll down like this, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying a good commission guys, and you can make a lot of money with this affiliate marketing business. Okay, so just click over here on join now. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country over here and choose your language. If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page. Okay, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Okay, it's super easy guys. So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good and a profitable services that you will promote on Pinterest to earn commission. Okay, so you will go back to your home page on Fiverr and I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting on Pinterest to earn commission. Okay, click on the search for logo design. It's already popular right now. Okay, as you can see on Fiverr. So search for logo design. And here you go. You will be directly in this page and you will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service. So I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers. They will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so for example, let's check this one. This one is top rated seller. He has a lot of reviews. I will click on his service. Okay, you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, and as you can see guys, you can see how many orders this seller has in queue. Okay, 622 orders in queue. A lot of people are buying this service. Okay, so it's already working. A lot of people are buying this service. Okay, as you can see over here, people keep coming back. You can see how many services this seller has sold. That's really a lot. A lot of people are buying this service, so it's already working. Okay, people are buying this one. So what you will do next, you will copy this seller profile link like this. Okay, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, and click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments, postback. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Okay, click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. Here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. Super easy, okay? If you don't have Pinterest account, let me show you. Just go to Google, search for Pinterest like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. Make sure to open business account, not personal account. And after you finish, this will be your home page, okay? So why we choose Pinterest? Because guys, Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. You can get so much traffic from Pinterest, okay? If you do it correctly, if you are using good and trending services, you can make so much money from Pinterest affiliate marketing, because a lot of people, millions of people every single day are searching for specific services, products using Pinterest, okay? And this is 1 billion monthly visitors. That's a big number. Anyway, click over here on home feed, click on create pin. You will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller profile page, click. So let me see if we can find good pictures that we can use. This one is really looking good. I will click on his picture about this service, okay? It's really looking good. He is really making good logos, okay? Double click on his picture, click on save image, okay? And save this picture to your laptop. I'm gonna name it logo. I will go back to Pinterest. I will click over here and I will upload this picture. Okay, logo like this, open. And here you go. Your picture will be uploaded like this. You need title and you need description. You need your affiliate link. Okay. So what you will do next, you will go back to this seller profile page and copy his title. Okay. Copy this title, go to Pinterest, put this title over here. Description, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. About this gig, this is his description, okay? Copy this description. I will copy this one like this and go back to Pinterest and put this description here. Scroll down, you need to put here your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, you can see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for over almost 5 years now. I'm doing affiliate marketing and I have old Fiverr affiliate account. But for you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here. It's almost the same. Go back to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here like this. Click on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it. And you can create as many as you want, okay? So I will choose, for example, this one for Pinterest. I will scroll down, click over here on tags, and you need to put here keywords related to this service, okay? So how we can find keywords? Go back to the seller profile page, scroll down, keep scrolling down until you see related tags, okay? This one. Copy those keywords like this. Go to Pinterest and put those keywords here. Okay? Go back, let me show you. Go back to the seller profile page and copy all those keywords, okay? Like this. Paste. After you finish, click on publish. And here you go. You just published your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest, okay? That's how we can start Pinterest affiliate marketing, and that's how we can use Pinterest to promote your affiliate links using free traffic. That's how we can choose good and profitable services. You guys can see that this service is working. People are buying this service. As you can see how many reviews, how many orders in queue. People keep coming back. This service is working, is popular on Fiverr, and it's already trending. And you will use Pinterest because you can get so much traffic from Pinterest 1 billion monthly visitors. That's a really a big number. And you can start promoting your affiliate links on Pinterest to earn commission with affiliate marketing. Okay, I also want to explain something, guys. This commission that I made, it didn't come only from Pinterest. Okay, Pinterest is one of my traffic sources. I like to make this clear. I'm using Pinterest, I'm using Facebook groups, I'm using YouTube, I'm using Quora, I'm using Instagram, I'm using Google, Twitter, and so much more. Okay, I shared a lot of methods in my YouTube channel. Feel free to check my YouTube channel. I share all those methods for free in my YouTube channel if you are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing as beginner without any website and without any paid ads. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have new Pinterest accounts, make sure to promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. Because for me, guys, I have old Pinterest accounts. I can promote affiliate links like this. I am already doing this method for over like 5 years now. I'm still doing it. This method is working for me. And for you, if you have new Pinterest account, you should start promoting just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. After a few weeks, after like maybe like 5 to 6 weeks, then you can start promoting, increase the number of services that you will promote on Pinterest to increase your commission. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next video. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and I'm really happy to help you guys and answer all your questions.